Adriana želi jest kobasice na festivalu Slatki gušti.
I'm hungry, I need food.
Ja sam za neku tortu od sladoleda, nešto hladno. Da, jako je lijepo uređeno. Nadam se da vidite. Ne.
Uglavnom,
Ne.
ja sam Andrijana Gazić.
Napokon smo zatvorile trgovinu malo ranije i imamo vremena zapravo prošetati po gradu. Inače smo do 9 navečer. Šta te muči? Ne voli kad sam joj preblizu.
Don't! Adriana loves. Koga ja volim?
Mene?
Do I have to put an N here? Fine. Accept it. Andriana that my other half can't say too much about this. May move to Zagreb and move in with us when we get our own flat. And she's like, oh, but then I'm going to be the third wheel. I go, darling, you're not seeing this the right way. He's our third wheel. You're my husband or my wife or whatever. He's the third wheel, not you.
Uglavnom idemo je sada kino Tuškanac na otvoreno. Baš god ne bilo predivno, mislim da će dobro. Mi ćemo gledati koreanski horor.
Ja ću se ustrat.
Ja u životu nisam pogledala horor. Niti nikakav.
The scariest Asian horror is the scariest.
Nisam znala ovo. Ti si kriv.
And it's going to be translated in Croatian, so I'm not going to know anything.
Ovo je bilo prestrašno.
No, it would have been worse if there were mosquitoes, and that was fine.
Ne, ovo je bilo prestrašno. Ovo je moj prvi hororac u životu.
Like this.
Like comedian.
And then like this. And then people were laughing, and then I'll open my eyes, and then I'm like, oh!
Naravno da nema Wi-Fi-a.
Not even a single network. Linksys, and it's open.